Hi, hello, welcome to Bharati's Math Academy. Today we are going to learn about solving an equation with the grouping symbols. For example, 7 n minus 1 is equal to minus 2 3 plus n. So in this equation in the form of distributive property, we have already learned about the distributive property, that is a into b plus c is equal to AB plus AC. The same, A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. In this equation, first let's take only the left side. 7 multiplied by n minus 1. So it is in the form of AB minus AC. That is 7n minus 7 multiplied by 1. 7 into 1, 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Next, let's take the right side. Minus 2 into 3 plus n. So minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 times 3 is equal to 3 twos are 6, that is minus 6. Then minus 2 multiplied by n is equal to minus 2n. So this is our right side. So let's equate both sides. 7n minus 7 is equal to minus 6 and minus 2n. In this equation, the variable is n. We have a variables on both sides. So let's bring all the variables in one side and constants on other side. So here minus 2n. So let's add 2n on both sides. So 7n minus 7 plus 2n is equal to minus 6 minus 2n plus 2n. Minus 2n plus 2n will cancel. Here plus 7n, here plus 2n. Plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9n minus 7 is equal to minus 6. Here we have minus 7. So opposite of minus is plus. So you need to add plus 7. Plus 7 on each side. 9n minus 7 plus 7 is equal to minus 6 plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 will cancel. 9n is equal to, here we have minus 6, here we have plus 7. So different sign. So when we have a different sign plus and minus, you need to subtract. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 plus 1. 9 multiplied by n is equal to 1. Here n is multiplied by 9. So opposite of multiplication is division. You need to divide 9 on each side. 9 multiplied by 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1 by 9. So this 9 will cancel. So n is equal to 1 by 9 is the solution for the equation 7 into n minus 1 is equal to minus 2 into 3 plus n. Let's see the another example. 6 into n plus 5 is equal to 3 into n plus 60. So to solve this equation, first we need to use the distributive property. Let's take only the left side. 6 into n plus 5. So distributive property A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So first 6 has to multiplied by n. 6 into n is equal to 6n. Next you need to multiply 6 into 5. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. This is the left side. Then let's take our right side. 3 into n plus 16. First 3 has to multiplied by n. 3 times n is equal to 3n. In the middle we have plus sign, so plus. Then 3 needs to multiplied by 16. 3 multiplied by 16. It's 48. So we got left side as well as right side. Let's equate. 6n plus 30 is equal to 3n plus 48. This is the equation. So here n is a variable. We have variables on both sides. To solve this equation, you need to bring both all the variables on one side and constants on other sides. In the first step, here we have plus 3n. So you need to subtract 3n on both sides. 6n plus 30 minus 3n is equal to, right side we have 3n plus 48 minus 3n. Plus 3n and minus 3n will cancel. 6n minus 3n. So plus 6 minus 3, different sign. So you need to subtract. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3n plus 30 is equal to 48. Left side you have plus 30. To cancel this, you need to subtract 30 on each side. 3n plus 30 minus 30 is equal to, right side we have only 48. 48 minus 30. This 30 and this 30 will cancel. Plus and minus will cancel. 3n is equal to 48 minus 30 is equal to 18. 3n is equal to 18. That is 3 multiplied by n is equal to 18. Opposite of multiplication is division. So here n is multiplied by 3. So you need to divide 3 on each side. 3n divided by 3 is equal to 18 by 3. This 3 and this 3 will cancel. 18 by 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. So n is equal to 6 is the solution for the equation 6 into n plus 5 is equal to 3 into n plus 16. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.